Should be hooked up. It's not showing me a picture though. That is weird. Huh. There it goes. You know. And so there we go. Up and over. Getting used to this a little bit. Yeah, sometimes it comes out great, but I can't tell if it's me screwing it the hell up or what. So that's supposed to be centered, and here we go. It should come right back on. I don't know why it drops me, man, but it does. Alright, there it goes. There goes Bebop. And Bebop dropped me, but I'm still filming. I kind of know that from before. I don't know what I'm filming, but there it goes. Just take it like that. Bring it up. Bring Bebop up. We usually don't. And we're looking pretty good. Come on, bro. Let me have my stuff back. Come on, bro. There you go. There you go. At 47%, and we got the white stripe battery. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but yeah, it's a little easier to fly like this, you know. A little bit. Oh, there it goes. Drop me again. Yep. Still got 2 dots on there now. Looks like it's drifting back. Keep getting that. Seems that if I go ahead and drop the app and reinstall it, I get like a good amount of time with the, you know, without it dropping. So now I don't know what it's doing. I don't know, really, to be honest with you. Should be recording. We got 47%. I'm not really sure what the hell. There goes something there. It dropped me. Looked like the thing was off. It's usually never off though. You know, hopefully I'm getting something reconnecting and dropping. Maybe that's what the damn thing is doing. You know? Whoa, it's pretty quick. Pretty quick. Alright. Let's bring her down. We're gonna do some flying, man. Hell with it. Bring it around. Let you see some stuff too. I don't know how good it films like this, but it sure is fun. You know? There we go. We gotta bring it back good. I'm glad I'm not like super duper far. Alright, bring it in. Bring it in, bro. Alright. There we go. Oh, man. Whoa, whoa. Alright. Oh, shit. There it goes. At least I don't just do a crash landing if I make a mistake. Alright, turn this off. Alright, pick up Bebop. Look at that, man. Right? Alright. Doing pretty good, Bebop. I'm having fun, man. Alright. Alright, so we'll leave that sit like that and keep an eye on it. Hang on. Like that. That's how you want it. Alright. Yeah. Let that reconnect. Holy smoke. Alright, so. Alright. There it goes. There it goes. Okay, bro. Let's put Oh shit, I must have hit it off. Oh, okay, that's why. Let's leave that there for a minute. It should hook right up. Then we'll go over and do the other thing. I don't know how much time we got. 5:40. We got 20 minutes. I don't see the Ranger, and I'm gonna try to get that thing up in the air. All right, come on, bro. Come on, connect. Come on. There it goes. All right. So go like this, and that. That should take a second. Now we'll set this up. And I got one more pack down here, packed in a box. This sucker. This is when the Ranger comes after me. Ranger usually comes up in here, man, really quick. He knows when I'm not done. You can tell, but I usually don't mess around. So, you guys seen the bebop? I'm not even shutting this off, so, you know, it's so beautiful out, man. It's cold, but you know what I mean. It's really nice. Turn this on. This flies a lot longer, guys. This tends to, you know, it's an issue with your hands, though. Alright. Alright. Everything looking good. Alright. There we go. Alright. There we go. I don't know why I always calibrate it. Here we go. XL up, baby. Alright. Let's go. Alright. We'll keep it close. Keep messing around a little bit right here. Yeah, man. You know? XL, man. Haha. Beautiful flybys. Come on, XL. Come on. Yep. Don't want to miss it, though. Take my hood off for a second. Looks good, looks good. There you go, it gets a little better pitch. This could be the Ranger, guys. My whole deal could be over in a second. In a second, man. Oh, shit. Come on. Come on, brothers. XL. Wintertime, it's not the Ranger. Alright. Alright, alright, alright. XL. You got it in a little bit higher rates, and I got it adjusted. Like you can adjust this this controller, which is kind of cool. Look at that. A little disoriented. Hang on, there we go. Oh yeah. That's beautiful, man. It was really, the wind was supposed to stop, but it did slow down, but I mean, you see that mother humper. There we go. There we go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's not normal. That's usually me. We'll see what happens. So, yeah, she might have crapped down on you. Motor. Let's see if we can get it to start again. Well, it was fun while it lasted. Alright, kill that motor. Kill him. Oh, man. Alright. There it is, man. You know, I've sat before, man. I told you the motors are weak. Pretty sure it's motors, though. Alright, man. Alright. We're almost done. Alright, put that up there. Really like flying that thing now, man, you know? Alright, let me shut this off.